official national anthem na version ko. Hindi ko kasi gusto yung last line eh, yung mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. I think it negates the first and foremost scientific rule. Survive. Are you a Scientologist? Because all living things obey that rule. Survive. And when you contradict that rule, you're going to run into contradiction. Of course, because you contradict this contradiction. So you imagine yourself first day in school, bagong ligo, bagong uniforme, lahat bago, you're starting out a brand new life. Iit mo pa tapos, ano ka pa? Araw-araw gagawin mo yun. Kaya may psychological damage sa Pilipino dahil dyan. What we always equate death with love country. Kung totoo yun, pakamatay tayo lahat. It's the most beloved country. I'm proposing ang magmahal ng dahil tayo. Kasi hindi naman panahon ng gera. Nakapagpanahon ng gera para face the great General Patton. It's not our job to die for the country. It is our job to see to it that the other fellow dies for his country. Diba? Tama yun. Sabi ni Patton, he started another world war. Tapos noong 60s, nung mga milit pa kami, yung nambiguan, ang pumatay ng dahil sa'yo. I realized now, it's actually a more logical thing. Between die and kill, pumatay ka na lang. More logical, more scientific. And mali-mali pronunciation ng lyrics na Pangmira. In the beginning kasi, it was just a march. 120 beats per minute. Just about not meant to be sung. The melody lines are form lines. On saxophone, on trumpet, they're not really lyrical. Not a lyrical melody. It's 2, 4, 5 meters of tapos nilagyan na ng words, ginawang 4. So, kasi kung 2, 4 pa rin ang pagkakanta mo pag may words, we don't give it much thought, but it makes a huge difference when you change the meter of a song. So, ginawa siya 2, 4, pero mabilis pa rin siya masyado sa Kastila, sa English, land of the morning, chant of the sun return. Chant of the sun, wow! Tapos yung ginawang Tagalog, ganun pa rin yung music. So it's a total perversion of the original purpose of music. Because the original function of music in pre-literate days, meaning when there was no paper, no pen, and people did not know how to write. Music was a mnemonic device. Mnemonic device meaning it helps you remember the message. So people, troubadours would move from place to place bringing news. Kinakanta nila. And people back then, because they had no paper, in a way, had better exercised memory capacities. So people would listen to a song once and be able to repeat it at home. Sabi nung nagbalita, ay, napilay daw si Mang Tasyo, nahulog sa balon. Kaya yung mga folk songs na pass on oral tradition, usually isang melody na baliktad. Ulit-ulit. Parang rap, parang siya. Mnemonic device siya, parang mga pictures mo na baliktad. So when you start adjusting the words to the music, baliktad, because you should adjust the music to the words. But here's upang hinilang, it's not in 2, it's not in 4, it's in 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. na panin mo'y Diyan ka nang nagising Di ka kapinipigil sa dagat Ibo'y at sa langit mong buhaw Ang ibilag ng tula Awit sa masayang